Are you looking for a fun, festive place to celebrate the holiday season?
Well, how about a Christmas pop-up bar? It's in Waterbury at the Highland Brass Company.
And our friend Demetrius Zaharitis is the cocktail chemist. He's telling us all about it and showing us how to make some of the drinks on the menu. So you can go there, or we're going to learn how to make, signature cocktails at home too.
Yes. So we transformed our bar into a Christmas pop-up bar. Very overly done with the decorations. We have a specialty cocktail menu. We dress like this.
Ugly sweaters.
I love it.
Sweaters. And then we have obviously like I said, our whole cocktail menu is all Christmas themed cocktails, and we're gonna make some for you today. They're a little more intricate and in depth. So I already went ahead and poured everything, but I'll just go through what they all are. So this is the Christmapolitan. So it's a riff on the Cosmopolitan.
Got it.
Christmapolitan.
So we have our vodka. We have a little bit of dry vermouth. A little bit of elderflower liqueur, some fresh lime juice, and we made a spiced cranberry syrup.
Ooh, okay.
So it just, elevates it a little bit, just kicks it up a notch, and just a quick shake.
Can you pre-make this if you're having a party and just keep it in the fridge? Would it stay okay?
Yes, yes, of course. So we do a little absinthe mist inside.
Oh my. Nobody's driving the sleigh after this drink.
That's why we did a mist. You don't want too much absinthe.
Yeah. Okay, so it's going to be pink like a Cosmo.
Pink like a Cosmo, a little rosemary on top, just to spice it up. And that's it.
That's
nice and
That's a
quick.
little tip at home. I know you like to use the rosemary, and it's so cute. It looks like a little Christmas tree. And whatever drink you're going to put in.
It's beautiful.
100%, yeah.
Okay.
So then now we're going to move on to our gingerbread flip. So a flip is a cocktail with a whole egg in it.
Ooh.
So what we're doing is we're using some Evan Williams 100 proof bourbon.
Yeah.
We made a gingerbread syrup, and we're using some bitters. And that's all you need. And the whole egg.
And the whole egg is okay?
The whole egg is fine, yeah.
And can you
Get your protein in there.
But why is it okay to have the raw egg? I know that's a trend in drinks right now. Is it because the alcohol kills the...
It does.
Because normally you're not supposed to eat an egg that's not cooked. You can't even have cookie dough.
Yeah, and the gingerbread syrup that you have right here, is this something common? Can you get it at maybe a baking goods store? I mean, I really don't even have any...
Not really. We have to make that, but I mean, it's just a bunch of ginger, bunch of spices, some molasses, some dark, some light brown sugar.
Okay.
And it's pretty easy.
So the egg
Call
is
me and
what
I'll give you
makes
the
it
recipe.
frothy, right? Almost
Makes
like
it frothy, makes it rich. And that's it. And then you can eat it with a ginger snap cookie as well.
That looks so amazing.
You can try.
I can. It's legal. All right. Well, cheers. Merry Christmas, everyone.
With cheers. Dipping your gingerbread cookie.
So you dip your and so it's an egg. Let me see.
And I mean, you drink eggnog, so eggnogs have whole eggs in them.
That's really delicious, and it's not overpowering.
No.
My mouth is getting a little warm, but it's
drinking
not
100 proof booze too, so
definitely warming up your mouth if you're cold after shoveling. That's delicious.
Okay.
So our last one is our Yippee-Ki-Yay cocktail, and so this one's more of a tiki cocktail. So we have some cachaça, which is Brazilian sugarcane rum. We have some overproof rum. We have some sweet potato infused rum. A little bit of orgeat, which is a almond syrup infused with peanut butter. With fluff. Marshmallow.
Oh my gosh, almonds infused with fluff.
And then we have a little orange curacao. So you got quite a few things going on here. A little bit of citrus, a little lime juice to pump it up. And then we give this a shake as well.
Jingle bells.
Is that the song you're hearing?
Yeah, jingle bells. I'm singing jingle bells to your shaking. And how long are you supposed to shake a drink to really get it mixed properly?
I do it more by feel, but about 10 to 15 seconds, depending on your shake as well.
Now this can go in a holiday mug.
Yes, and we actually sell the mugs too at the bar. So you can come in, and if you want to.
All right, what's coming out of your bag, Santa?
So out of our bag is some crushed ice. So
look at that.
Tiki cocktails prefer some crushed ice on top.
It's gonna be like a little snow cone.
Yeah.
That is beautiful. And while you're finishing that drink up, you're doing something special with toys at your shop as well, right?
Yes, it's we are partnered up with the local organization called the Stocking Stuffers. Here you go.
Oh,
put a little snow on top.
Just oh my gosh,
that's so cute.
That's adorable. I love it.
Snowing at the beach.
The Stocking Stuffers. So we collect toys for the whole duration of the pop-up, and then we donate them. They come by Christmas Eve day, and hand them out to the kids in Waterbury.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
So cute. All right, so hopefully you are inspired for your own holiday party, or these are like really, really amazing
These are
drinks. So you want to go to the pop-up and just have you make them.
Exactly. We'll make it for you.
Thank you so much, Demetrius.
We'll do all the hard work.
And it's a way to give back too. If you want to get involved and donate some toys, Miracle at Highland Brass will be collecting toys for the Stocking Stuffers organization of the Greater Waterbury area. You can learn more right on the Facebook page. That is facebook.com/miracle at Highland Brass CO.
All for a great cause. And you can keep up with Demetrios on Facebook. Just search The Cocktail Chemist.